Choosing a new air conditioner unit for your home or business is no easy task. Things like building size, floor plan design, ventilation, price, and energy consumption need to be considered in the search for the best result. That's why knowing the difference between fixed speed and inverter split technology is essential. There are two main types of air conditioner available in market today: the inverter air conditioner and fixed speed air conditioner. It is important to know the benefit and capabilities of both types of air conditioner before making a purchase. Although both the inverter air conditioner and fixed speed air conditioner have similar functions, the difference lies in the type of compressor technology. The function of compressor is to compress and expand the refrigerant liquid, thus providing the cooling necessary to cool the incoming air. Let us now see the difference between the two, that is, it will easy to make a choice when buying an air conditioner for your home or office. Fixed speed air conditioner. Fixed speed air conditioner operate on a binary system working at either full capacity or not at all. A fixed speed air conditioner system turn off the compressor once the required temperature is stabilized, restarting it only when the temperature exceeds a predetermined threshold. Now coming towards inverter technology. Inverter air conditioner differ from fixed speed air conditioner because of their variable speed compressor. Such systems serve to solve the temperature fluctuation and energy wastage problem presented by fixed speed air conditioner. They work by accelerating the compressor speed at the start to galvanize enough power to reach the desired temperature, then modulating it in a low power mode to counterbalance any incoming heat. The inverter system therefore puts a minimal load on the compressor while delivering consistent cooling. Now we will compare both the air conditioner technology by their parameters. First one is speed. The inverter air conditioner has a variable speed compressor which allows control operation of compressor according to the need, so as to regulate the temperature of the air conditioner. The fixed speed air conditioner, on the other hand, has a regular start-stop compressor which either switches on or off to produce desired cooling effect. It is not able to adjust the speed of compressor and thus consume more energy while running. Another parameter is efficiency. The inverter air conditioner is by far the most energy efficient. It is more economical and smooth in operation than the fixed speed air conditioner. It consumes less electricity due to its variable speed compressor and is also good for the environment. Another parameter is noise. The inverter air conditioner is quiet in operation. Unlike fixed speed air conditioner, they do not require to turn off and turn on once they reach the set temperature, but rather adjust the temperature constantly, producing no or little sound. Final parameter is cost. The acquisition cost of an inverter air conditioner is slightly more than the fixed speed air conditioner, but this paid additional cost can be compensated in the form of low electricity bill and comfort cooling. So these are the basic difference between fixed speed and inverter technology. Hope this information will be helpful for you to purchase right air conditioner for your need.